Hi, welcome to MeshInspector. Today, we're diving into our signed distance function and how it helps measure distances between objects in 3D space. The signed distance function tells us how far a given point, or even an entire object, is from the surface of another mesh. Essentially, the SDF identifies the minimum distance between two objects, which can mean three things. A positive value means the objects are apart, there's a gap between them, with no contact. A negative value indicates they overlap, which is great for detecting collisions. A zero value means the objects are exactly touching, indicating perfect contact between surfaces. Let's see it in action. Here, we have two jaws. As you can see, they might be overlapping, but how bad is it? To find out, we select both objects, go to Inspect, then choose Signed Distance. The value is negative, and the figure highlights exactly where they overlap. What sets MeshInspector apart is its real-time calculations. The signed distance updates dynamically as you move the objects. Let's move one of the jaws. See how the values are changing? And here's a final trick. Once the jaws stop moving, click Select Internal Part. This will highlight the exact areas where the jaws overlap, just like this. This function is especially useful in MeshInspector for research purposes. In this presentation, it also gives you a glimpse of how the MeshLib library works, a powerful foundation you can build on to create your own logic in your software. Thanks for watching.